In this video, I'm going to share 6 simple ways that you can start making money on TikTok. So you're going to want to stick around until the end of this video where I share my best recommendation for you to start making money with TikTok. Okay, so let me just get right into it. So the first way that you can make money is by going live. Now, in order for you to go live on TikTok, you need to have 1,000 followers. So the way that people are making money whenever they go live on TikTok is whenever somebody is sending them gifts. Now, gifts are something that people just send to other people who are going live just to show their appreciation or just for sharing valuable information. Now, when people are sending you gifts on your lives, that's transferred into diamonds. And each gift has like a different monetary value to it. When you gather or accumulate enough diamonds, that gets transferred into money. So if you're somebody who's constantly going live, this can add up pretty quickly, especially if you're keeping your audience engaged and they're really loving the content that you're putting out there. I've seen people go live while they're at work. If you have a job where you don't have like a supervisor or a manager around to constantly watch you, you can just put your phone up like in the corner somewhere and just show yourself live just doing work. And I've seen these type of lives get the most type of viewers and people donating to them just as they're working. Now, the second way to make money on TikTok is through the Creator Fund. This is similar to how YouTube has the partner program where they show advertisements before people see your videos. And in order for you to be eligible for the Creator Fund, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and you need to have at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days. Now, I know this can be pretty difficult, especially if you're starting out, but I've seen people's accounts blow up 2 weeks after they created it, where they have 5,000 or 10,000 followers. Now, just to give you an idea of how much you can earn with the Creator Fund, I've heard other people say they earn about 20 bucks for every million views that they get. And this seems to be accurate because I've joined the Creator Fund back in September of 2021. So I've been in the Creator Fund for about 3 months at this point, and I've only accumulated about $95. So this isn't the best way to earn money with TikTok, but once you hit that threshold of 10,000 followers and 100,000 views within the last 30 days, I mean, you might as well join the Creator Fund because it's just an extra way to earn a few extra dollars. Now, the third way to make money with TikTok is by selling your own products. More and more companies are realizing that TikTok is a huge platform and it looks like it's going to take over YouTube and Instagram. So they're taking advantage of this platform. But if you have your own products that you're selling, you could put a link in your bio that people can click on once you hit 1,000 followers. But you can't put a clickable link in your profile if you switch over to a business account if you're under 1,000 followers. But I wouldn't really recommend this route because you lose access to so many trending sounds that a lot of people are using. So let's say, for example, your TikTok account is based around your company. So what a lot of people are doing is they're creating videos promoting the products or the services that they're selling. And then they have the link in their profile that sends people directly to their website where they can purchase the product or the service. So real quick, I just wanted to mention, if you're getting value from this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. And also too, if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online or just marketing tips, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the fourth way to make money on TikTok is by selling shoutouts. If you go to Fiverr.com, which is a popular freelancing website, you're gonna see people who are advertising that they're willing to shout out companies, brands, or even people on their TikTok account. And this isn't a new concept. I'm pretty sure you've seen people doing this on Instagram who have a large following. So people who would be considered influencers or authority figures. So once you hit a certain amount of followers, you can start offering your services by just shouting out other people or brands. Because a lot of companies are realizing the power of social media. And if you have a lot of followers, you can help benefit their brand and also they can pay you for shouting out their company. Now, the fifth way to make money on TikTok, and this is a recent feature that they added on TikTok, is by receiving tips on your videos. If people really like your videos, they enjoy your content, they can actually tip you on your videos. And the tips will go directly to you. So no money is gonna go to TikTok whenever somebody tips you on your videos. So in order for you to be eligible so people can tip you on your videos, you need to have at least 100,000 followers and meet the age requirements. Now, the sixth way to make money on TikTok, and I believe this is the best way to actually make money on TikTok, is through affiliate marketing. So this is where you're promoting products from other companies and you're sending people to those companies' websites to buy a certain product. So every time you send somebody to a company's website and they buy that product, that company is paying you a commission for that. Now, the cool part about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create any products yourself. You don't have to ship out anything. All you're doing is just basically referring people to a company's website, and if they buy that product, then you earn a commission. And there's plenty of accounts on TikTok that are promoting affiliate products. So what they do is they create a TikTok account that's focusing around a certain niche. And all of the videos that they're posting on their account is related to the niche that they're in. So if I look at one account, all they're doing is just doing product reviews that you can buy on Amazon and similar websites. And they get a lot of views on their videos. And anyone who's interested in buying any of those products that they're showing in their videos, they have a link in their profile that directs them to a separate page. And that page has a list of all of the products that they reviewed in their videos. So if anybody is interested in buying any of those products that they're mentioning or reviewing in their videos, they're just gonna click on that product. And if they want to check out the price, it's going to direct them to Amazon or the company that's actually selling the product. Now, if you're thinking all of that sounds good and everything, but I don't even have that many followers on TikTok, then you're going to want to check out this video where I share the exact same tips and strategies that I used to grow my following on TikTok from 15,000 to 100,000 in the last 2.5 months. And that really helped me grow my online business. So if you're looking to grow your following on TikTok, check out this video right here. And also, if you're interested in learning my best recommendation to start earning money online, check out the link in the description below. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.